What's going on, everybody, and welcome back to the Osnam Rips channel. On today's box rip, we are cracking into a 2025 Phoenix Blaster Box. In this box, we will have 6 packs, 4 cards per pack, guaranteed 3 Blaster exclusive Hyper Parallels. Other chase cards that we could potentially find would be Color Blast, Genesis, Phoenician, Seismic, and Hyper. Phoenician also has Phoenician scripts, as well as Seismic comes in Seismic scripts, so would love to find one of those. That being said, let's crack into this blaster box and see what we get. Khalil Mullings, DeAndre Swift, Nick Barnett, and Micah Parsons. Will Johnson, rookie. Calvin Ridley, Sean McDermott, and AJ Green. Colston Loveland, rookie. A Curtis Rourke rookie on the orange. That is going to be numbered to 99. 44 of 99. Phoenix producing again. Austin Eckler and Mark Andrews. Maxwell Hairston, rookie. A Luther Burden on the Paragon. Baker. And a little throwback, Dan Faust. Luther Burden, rookie. Ben Roethlisberger. Tank Bigsby, and CMC. Starting this pack off with Offensive Rookie of the Year, Ted McMillan. Muhsin Muhammad on a little Prism Hyper, Chase Brown, and Taysom Hill. No need really to take a break to sleeve things up. Go through the hits of the box real quick and give you a little recap. These are our base cards. Base rookies: Ted McMillan, Burden, Hairston, Colston Loveland, Will Johnson, and Khalil Mullins. Our Prism Hypers base of Muhsin Muhammad and Big Ben. Our rookie Paragon Luther Burden, and our orange Prism Hyper of Curtis Rourke, rookie, numbered to 99. Not the best player that you could get, but getting a numbered card out of a blaster box is never a bad pull, so not going to complain with that. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Leave me a like if you did, always appreciate it. Subscribe if you want to see the upcoming videos we have for the channel. Upcoming videos to look forward to, something a little different other than a sports pack opening. We have 2 Invincible Blaster Box from Keepsake Hollow editions, so something a little different. And we also have an Optic Mega Box. So subscribe if you would like to see those videos in the future. Leave me a like, and I will catch you in the next one.